Hi everyone, my name is Kirti Kulhari and you are watching Bollywood Hungama.
On a lighter note, actually, considering we've had such in fact intense talking and everything, on a lighter note, I'd like to say something. You know, Karan Johar says that if two actresses they're saying that we were very comfortable with each other and we are like so nice to each other and everything. Somehow they're not saying the entire truth.
Okay.
So if you have to give us some gossip actually on a lighter note, आप इतना serious मत देखो, मुझे डर लगता है. Considering आप लोगों को जिस तरीके की performance है वैसे हर लड़के यहाँ से
That's what somebody was telling me कि अभी इस फिल्म के बाद कोई पंगा लेने के लिए भी 10 बार सोचेगा.
पंगा लेने के बाद नहीं, मतलब सोचने में भी आदमी डरेगा कि मतलब that you never know. So on a lighter note, I'm specifying, and I like the fact that when you laughed actually, that if you can give us some gossip, that what you actually felt in terms of that उसको जो है वो tweet क्यों आया तारीफ का, मुझको जो है मतलब और आना चाहिए था, and why that guy he praised her in this manner and he should have praised me in this manner as well. If you can tell us on a lighter note, on a something in terms of gossip for us, please.
My God, he's such a gossiper.
No, not gossiper. And I've specified everything. I've specified everything. I'm not trying to con you anything. I'm just saying that on a lighter note.
मैं उस पे क्या बताऊं यार, क्योंकि बहुतों ने हमें साथ में पसंद किया है और बहुतों की हम इंडिविजुअल चॉइसेस हैं. तो मतलब मैं उसमें कैसे कहूँ कि फरीदून को तापसी ज़्यादा क्यों पसंद आई, कीर्ति क्यों नहीं आई. मतलब ठीक है, आ गई.
मैंने आपकी शायद ज़्यादा तारीफ करी थी.
वो मुझे नहीं पता.
I hope Taapsee doesn't watch. So
now this is gossip which Taapsee is gonna know.
But if you see my tweet, I think in fact maybe if you see from that perspective, I think maybe I praised you a bit more. That and Taapsee as well, but I think both are different performances. You can't really compare them either. But the thing is, gossip is something that is coming from you, Kirti Kulhari. So please continue.
Well, I personally feel ये जो चीज़ है ना कि you can't really compare performances. Of course, you can compare performances.
Lighter note पे सोचिए, मतलब
हाँ,
serious मत हो यार, serious मत हो यार, serious मत हो. You'll be doing funny films as well. मतलब entertaining films in a different manner. क्या बताऊँ मैं, क्या gossip बताऊँ यार. हम लोग साथ में we have played badminton together. मतलब मैंने क्या गॉसिप बताऊं. कभी आपको दिल चाहा कि उसका मेकअप में जो हूँ कुछ मैं मतलब उसमें करवा दूं.
हाँ, मुझे गुस्सा आता था कि उसके लिए अलग से मेकअप मैन आया और हमारे लिए मेरे को और एंड्रिया को हमें साथ में करना.
हाँ, this is what we're looking for.
और मुझे गुस्सा आता था जो मैंने बोला था दिल्ली में फर्स्ट दिन हमारे प्रोडक्शन को कि मेरे को और एंड्रिया को क्यों रूम शेयर करना है, वैनिटी शेयर करनी है और उसके लिए सिंगल वैनिटी है.
हाँ, this is the stuff that we're looking for.
This is the stuff he's looking for and this is what you get. So yes, I was because मैं बिल्कुल समझती हूँ that she's a bigger star and she has a bigger fan following and all of that. I understand the hierarchy that you people have mainly created.
No, we have not. We have not.
No,
this is थोड़ा सा आप मेरे बारे में रिसर्च करिए.
मैं आपके मतलब
No, don't bracket. आप देखिए अभी हम आपको जो है सारे एक्टर्स में ब्रैकेट नहीं कर रहे हैं. Everyone is, I think, is different actually.
But आप मुझे फिर प्लेस कर रहे हैं ना, ये ऐसी है, वो वैसा है, वो इतना है.
Gossip compartmentalize अलग कर लीजिए, ये compartmentalize अलग कर लीजिए. I'm specifying everything.
No, I said I do understand that, but मैं हमेशा थोड़ी सी वो टाइप्स की हूँ, मतलब कि यार why when everybody is working on the film together.
Equality and everything.
Yeah. I understand that Mr. Bachchan is at another level altogether, which we don't need to get into. But if it's 3 girls, then let it be about that. Like, I understand. Then either give us the same thing or give nothing to any of us. You know what I mean?
No problem.
But you got your share of gossip.
Actually, I was looking for maybe it's fine. But
it's fine. Yes, it's fine.
We'll settle for this. All right. So now, Kirti Kulhari, last time around, you won the quiz competition that amongst the 3 girls.
अरे बाप रे, all of us performed so badly on that. But आज मैंने उसी के बारे में सोचा and I had another good answer for you.
Tell me.
कि do you realize the fact that we have spent some 2 months with Mr. Bachchan, like personally?
Correct.
We know much more about his present right now, about him as a person, than about just his films. Isn't that the most wonderful thing?
No, it is definitely wonderful. But the fact is that some of Mr. Bachchan's die-hard fans, they sent me messages that the girls should have known more.
I agree. I agree.
I can show it to you that they
no, I am sure.
That they could have known a bit more about Mr. Bachchan.
I'm sure. They must have been offended.
No, not really, but maybe when you're a fan, you're a fan. Actually, and Amitabh Bachchan is like a.
Of course.
As far as India is concerned,
we have seen that. We are. That's what I'm saying. We are witnesses of what Mr. Bachchan is.
Sure,
We saw
absolutely.
that during the shoot, so we know, we understand.
Absolutely.